In this video we will be demonstrating how to update a data source using a button. To start off with, from the Blocks tab, search for a box and add it to the page layout. Next, add a HTML editor to the page, and then add a button, and save that app. Next, select the box and navigate to Block Properties. Select the data source drop-down, and then the data source to which you would like to update. In this case, the Add data source was selected, then save the app. Next, select the HTML editor and navigate to Value and select the value you would like to update. In this example, comment was selected. Now select the button and then the action drop-down. Now select the data sources you would like to update when the button is pressed. In this example, both the Add Data and Get data sources were selected. Next, select the settings icon of the Add data source and ensure the insert and refresh operations are selected. In this example, an alert ID override value was required to specify which alert data will be updated. Select Apply to save changes. Next, select the settings icon of the Get data source and ensure only refresh is selected. Now select Apply and save the app. Now select the rocket icon to launch the application. To test the app, add a comment in the HTML editor and select the button to update the data source.